Hello, welcome to Juice with Jeff. I'm gonna teach you how to make a cherry blow pop shot, okay? A cherry blow pop, a cherry blow pop, a cherry blow pop. So you're gonna need bourbon, amaretto, and grenadine in all equal parts. So to start, you're gonna need your shaker full of ice. And then we're gonna put in half an ounce of bourbon. Okay, half an ounce of amaretto. Disaronno amaretto. And half an ounce of grenadine. And then we're going to close up our shaker. Give it a shake. And we have our shot glass. And we're just going to strain it into the shot glass. And there you go, the cherry blow pop shot. For some reason, it's a tongue twister to me. The cherry blow pop shot. The cherry blow pop shot. And there you go, the cherry blow pop shot. If you want to keep learning how to make shots, check out this playlist and don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button. Stay juicy.
Juice with Jeff.